Hi, this is Greg Weeks for Graphics Programming Assignment 1. So this is question 1. Let's just run it real quick so you can see what I have done here. Alright, and that works as expected there. And let's go over to question 2. Alright. Okay, so how I approached question 1, let's just go over to the source here, to DXApp. Yeah, so everything in question 1 is just completely hard-coded. So let's fill wireframe so you can see that this is working correctly. Alright, yeah, so I basically just kind of guessed what all of these vertices are going to be, what all these points are going to be, and it was kind of easy to come up with what they were. The only difficult part was getting the winding correct. But yeah, so let's go down to the actual vertices themselves. Yeah, so 0.25 for the actual square, and then it was just this pattern of 1 and -1 to get all the edges of the screen, or of the window rather. And then this was the winding pattern that I came to. Changed this line here for the number of triangles. Yeah, so I basically just took everything that I did in this assignment and automated it for the next assignment to come up with the other thing. Yeah, so I'm going to change the number of verts just so you can see that this is working as intended. So let's bump it up to like 50, something crazy. Oh man, it's taking a while. There we go. So it's creating this circular shape. Let's go down to like 5. Alright, there we go. And it's all completely uniform. Alright, so I looked around online. There were some examples of people doing things that were similar, and I noticed that there was a consistency where they had this angle and a radius for the circle. So it's just, some basic geometry stuff. So I pretty much just have two for loops that are assigning the vertices and then the indices for the winding. So this is pretty much where all the magic happens. So it's pi times 2 divided by the number of vertices here. And then you just plug that in based on this little algorithm here. So you take the cosine and the sine to find the x and the y of the vertice, or the vertex, sorry. So yeah, pretty simple little algorithm there. And then I'm just doing a for loop to set three of these indices at once, and then increasing the triangle number. So for each triangle, I'm setting three indices. Yeah, so it was pretty simple to figure out, and then I'm just using these variables to control the byte width and all of the other little variables here that I needed in the first assignment. I'm going to be completely honest, I'm not completely sure what all of this means, but I just knew that I needed to change this number based on the inputs. Yeah, and I just chose a random number for the radius. But this is working as expected, and if you bump it up to 100, it looks pretty. So, yeah, I'm satisfied with the way this was working. Alright, that's about it. See ya.